In this video, I will show you how to clean a violin. Cleaning a violin requires gentle care to preserve the instrument's finish and protect it from potential damage. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean a violin. Materials needed: 1. Soft lint-free cloths. 2. Mild cleaning solution, such as a mixture of water and a small amount of mild dish soap. 3. Soft brush or feather duster. 4. Polish, optional, suitable for the violin's finish. 5. Peg compound if needed. Steps: remove the bow and shoulder rest. Set the bow and shoulder rest aside in a safe place. 2. Dust the violin. Use a soft brush or feather duster to gently remove any dust from the surface of the violin, including the fingerboard, tailpiece, and scroll. Be gentle to avoid scratching the varnish. 3. Clean the fingerboard. If the fingerboard is dirty or has rosin buildup, you can clean it using a soft, damp cloth with a mild cleaning solution. Dampen the cloth slightly, not too wet, and wipe the fingerboard in the direction of the wood grain. Dry the fingerboard immediately with the dry cloth. 4. Clean the body. Use a soft, damp cloth to clean the body of the violin. If the violin has stubborn spots or rosin buildup, you can moisten the cloth slightly with the cleaning solution, but avoid getting the solution on the varnish. Wipe the body gently and immediately dry it with a separate dry cloth. 5. Clean the strings. Wipe the strings with a dry cloth after each use to remove rosin and oil from your fingers. If the strings are particularly dirty, you can use a cloth slightly dampened with the cleaning solution. Wipe each string individually and dry it immediately. 6. Check the pegs. If the pegs are sticking or difficult to turn, you can apply a small amount of peg compound. Make sure to turn the pegs gently while applying the compound. 7. Polish, optional. If your violin has a shiny finish, you may use a violin polish suitable for your instrument's finish. Apply the polish sparingly and buff with a soft cloth. 8. Reassemble. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your violin by reattaching the bow and shoulder rest. Remember, it's essential to be gentle while cleaning a violin to avoid damage to the delicate varnish and other components. If you're unsure or if your violin requires more extensive cleaning or repairs, it's advisable to consult with a professional violin luthier. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.